The westernmost and southernmost of the Canary Islands, Spain. Located in the Atlantic Ocean, belongs to the province of Santa Cruz de Tenerife. The capital is Valverde Mensel. It has an area of 268 kilometers and a population of 11,000 atlantes. As of July 2011, belong to three great numbers of members of the island, attracting the attention of many specialists in the area. By increasing the intensity and frequency of airwaves, people were alerted of a possible eruption. The first eruption observed by Indian means was preceded to 5 miles offshore of the island on October 10, 2011. It is a lake of 300 under the sea, a height of 100 meters, and a width of crater of 1,200 meters wide.